Ever wonder how AI models like GPT or Llama 2 can write code, solve math problems, and even debug software without turning your phone into a toaster? The answer lies in their size. These models are essentially supercomputers packed into a single app, but their massive scale makes them slow, power-hungry, and impractical for everyday devices. So how do we shrink these giants without losing their smarts? Enter model pruning, a technique that's revolutionizing AI efficiency. Think of it like trimming a tree. You cut away unnecessary branches, unnecessary connections, to make it healthier, not weaker. But traditional pruning is like guesswork. You might accidentally lop off a critical branch, crippling the model's performance. That's where GPTailor comes in. Developed by researchers at the Max Planck Institute, this method doesn't just trim a single model, it rebuilds it. Instead of pruning one model, GPTailor takes layers from multiple fine-tuned versions, like puzzle pieces from different puzzles, and stitches them together. Here's the genius: it doesn't randomly pick pieces. It uses a smart system to remove redundant layers, select the best-performing ones from different models, and merge layers that work well together. It's like hiring a team of specialists. One handles coding, another cracks math problems, and a third masters language. Then you combine their skills into a single, streamlined AI. The results? For Llama 2 13B, GPTailor's version retained 97.3% of the original performance while cutting 25% of the parameters, the mathematical building blocks of the model. That's way better than older methods. And here's the kicker: it doesn't need extra training to fix the model after pruning. No extra steps, no delays. Why does this matter? Imagine an AI assistant that's as powerful as a supercomputer, but runs smoothly on your phone. Smaller models mean faster responses, lower energy use, and easier deployment on devices like smart speakers or wearable tech. But GPTailor isn't just about shrinking AI, it's about rethinking how we build it. By combining the best of many, we're not just making models lighter. We're making them smarter, more efficient, and more accessible for everyone. The next time you use an AI, remember, behind the scenes, researchers are busy trimming, stitching, and optimizing to make these tools work for you. And who knows? Maybe the next big breakthrough is just a few layers away. Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper into how AI models are getting smarter and lighter, hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments, what AI feature would you love to see on your phone? Stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Now, let's dig into the nitty-gritty of pruning. Researchers have tested two main strategies: prune then merge, and merge then prune. Think of pruning as trimming a tree, and merging as blending two recipes into a super recipe. But which order works best? The study compared methods like LLM-Pruner, which uses gradients to spot non-critical parts, and SliceGPT, which compresses data like a photo file. They also tested LaCo, which organizes layers like a librarian, and ShortGPT, which checks how much each layer contributes. The big revelation: when researchers merged models first and then pruned, the results were better. It's like combining two strong trees before trimming. They grew healthier together. Here's what the data showed. Models that used merge then prune kept 70% of their original performance on tasks like math and language, while shrinking their size by up to 24%. But not all methods worked equally well. Some, like LLM-Pruner, accidentally cut too much, messing up the model's logic. Others, like SliceGPT, struggled with alignment after pruning. The lesson: pruning isn't just about cutting, it's about smart trimming. These techniques are the secret sauce behind AI on your phone, smart assistants, and even medical diagnostics. Imagine a model that can answer complex questions or write code, but fits in your pocket. But there's still work to do. Specialized models like math or coding experts need tailored approaches. So next time you chat with an AI, remember, scientists are out there fine-tuning these models, balancing speed, size, and smarts. It's a game of precision, and the future of AI depends on getting the order just right. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more deep dives into the brainy world of AI. Stay curious. Hey there. Let's talk about why this breakthrough in AI compression is such a big deal. Think of it like upgrading your phone's software. It's not just about making things smaller, but making them smarter. These techniques let us build AI that's lightning fast and super efficient, without losing any of its brain power. Here's the cool part: whether you're a developer tinkering with code or just someone who uses AI apps daily, this matters. Imagine your favorite AI tool. Maybe it's helping you write emails, translate languages, or even create art. Behind the scenes, it's probably using a mix of pruning, cutting out the unnecessary parts of the model, and merging, combining layers to streamline processing. It's like giving the AI a turbo boost while keeping its core skills intact. So next time you interact with AI, remember, there's some serious magic happening in the background. And if you're curious how these methods compare to others, stick around. We've got more deep dives coming. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you want to keep exploring the future of AI. Stay curious, and let's keep cracking these tech puzzles together.